God's going to restore every single thing that you've ever lost. Everything that the devil stole from you. God's going to make him pay it back to you with interest in the name of Jesus. Whatever the devil has stolen from you, before the close out of this week, the Lord is going to restore every single thing in the mighty name of Jesus. I said God's going to restore everything. God's going to turn your mourning into dancing. He's going to turn your sorrow into joy. The devil's not going to have one thing that belongs to you. He's not going to have your family. He's not going to have your children. He's not going to have your health. He's not going to have your finances. He's not going to have one thing in the name of Jesus.